HYZN Motors Inc. announced the delivery of 87 fuel cell-powered heavy-duty vehicles in 2021. These deliveries do not include any trial leases. The 2021 shipments exceeded the forecast of 85 fuel cell vehicle deliveries set by the company in February 2021. Prior to the deteriorating global supply chain seriously impacted the production plans of zero-emission and traditional vehicle suppliers alike. The company anticipates the 2021 financial results will reflect both lower average selling price per vehicle due to product mix and multi-year revenue recognition for the majority of sales. As highlighted during HYZN's third-quarter earnings call, the company proactively shifted its deployment focus to Asia, where average selling prices are approximately half of other regions. Global supply chain disruptions rocked many industries and sectors, with European and North American vehicle assembly particularly hard hit. The HYZN vehicles delivered are heavy-duty fuel cell truck models ranging in height from 18 to 49 metric tons, deployed for a variety of use cases.